Yeah man, so put on the pimento leaf them same way. Yeah. Drop the chicken from the top. Oh my god. Woo! You smell that already? Chicken smell nice. Come on. Check on the rice, you know. Alright, see it there? Lock him back down. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so right now today we're at the farm. We'll look some wood, you know, catch some fire and things eat cause we're gonna do a big cooking today. You know, Sunday dinner, you know, Jamaican style outdoor cooking. So we'll look some logwood or some any type of wood, you know, we can use at the fire. We're gonna look for that today. So forward. That one a nice piece, you know. Nice forward. Nice with that, you know. So in the sketch, now out. No. My shit are kind of dull still, you know. So we can't step and broke it. Almost reaching, I reach it. Tough, you know? Yeah, man, so next piece there. Yeah. The part I go take care of cut some in and cut the part there. Probably right as well. This night way. Alright, so now we're gonna get some smaller pieces, you know, some smaller branches and everything there. Yeah man, to add to the fire. Yeah. So over here so we have some smaller piece, different type of tree, but we're gonna add everything in the fire. Yeah man. Woo. Nice piece of wood them here, you know. Yeah man, nice piece.
I never them may tell about, you know.
But them they're good, them they can't go in the same way.
Or the logwood may tell about.
A piece of?
No, the other one.
This?
No.
This?
Yes.
This might add a little small piece of it too. The little sticks them easily catch a fire, you know? And this will help blaze it. Yeah man.
That's enough, right?
Yeah, that's enough. More than enough. Yeah man, so right now today we have some jerk fish. We have some jerk chicken, rice and peas, and a whole bunch of other things are going. So we'll light up the grill a little bit, you see it? Put a little kerosene oil on it. Yeah. Yeah man, and then we'll light it up. Move. That one done light. How much is it not good, man? Hold on there. Match it. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. That one they failed. But continue. Many want paper, because you're out. More paper towel real quick. More paper towel, guys. We'll try light the paper, yeah? So I'll go on. Alright, so the paper light. See it there? Light up the fire. Yeah man. You see that? When this catch on, we'll just put on the little grill lamp on top of it and make it burn out a little bit. You see it?
What's the black smoke?
Yeah.
When it start burning clean, you know. So
exactly. More fire like you put on, you know? Yeah man, so them here now, them at the grill. We now put them. Come out of my video now, man. If you want to be in a video spotlight, come in a video. Yeah guys, so this right so this goes stay till later on. I'll put on that yet. Alright, about now we're gonna start out the wood fire over here, so yeah. Same process, you know, same procedure. Put a little kerosene oil on it. Make that rest of some. So I'll get some from this. Yeah. I'll light him up. Yeah man. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Yesterday, rice and peas and them thing that I cook, you know. Yeah man, wood fire. But we are going to pressure the peas in the pressure cooker right now because we want to make sure that this peas nice and soft. We don't want to bite up no stone in a remote and them thing. You see? Yeah man, so just go and watch. See what's going on, you know? Oh wait. No, you're not out. Just leave the fire man, keep going.
You want
yeah man, the fire blaze already, you know. And the people them not ready with the rice and peas yet. Oh my god. Yeah guys, so I'm just get the wood chips. The wood chip go help the fire blaze some more. Yeah. Yes, if you don't know if you catch wood fire, you're not a real Jamaican. Tell you that straight up. Yeah man. This is the country life. You see me as well? Alright, the wood fire catch right there, so right now we're gonna make sure say all of the wood for the jerk chicken ready. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put some more wood chips in it. Put some over the side there. Make sure everything catch. Yeah man, so since we're at Jamaica, we have all of the supplies and all of the ingredients them. So we're gonna add some pimento leaves in the jerk pan same way, you see? So when the fire kinda cool down, we'll drop it in and then put on the grill and drop the chicken pan top. But in the meantime we're gonna season the chicken same way and go on easy. Yeah guys, so we have the chicken right here, so we have the pot already soaked up already and ready to go up on the fire. Yeah man. Set this aside, get this out of the way for now. Put it right there, so. Alright, I will clean the chicken a little bit. As you can see, we have some onion and seasoning, you know, pepper. Ooh. Cut the chicken open a little bit. See, we'll remove all of them something here. Yeah man. We are cut the chicken right about now. Yeah. Do some nice little cut spanny. And we're gonna put the seasoning in the groove as it. Yeah man. Put that in so. Clean out the chicken nice and proper. And then we're gonna wash it off with some water. Yeah. Wash it off a little bit. Alright, so now we'll cut up the seasoning them and drop it right on it same way. Alright, so cut up with onion. Drop it on the chicken same way. Yeah man. We have a scotch bonnet pepper them. We'll wash them off too. And we have a garlic. Just like that. Remove the outer shell, you know. The skin or whatever you want to call it. Mince it up. And drop it on the chicken same way. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse out my pepper them real quick. Alright, it's a fire. So I'll put some more food in it. Deandra, how much minute left on your peas? How much minute left on the peas? Okay. Okay. 50 odd minutes, yeah. So whenever I'm not put no more wood in the fire yet.
Keep burn out.
Keep burn out a little. This is a jerk chicken at church. Best jerk chicken you go eat in your life. Here, me have some jerk seasoning right there, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the marinade to it. You might be wondering, isn't it gonna be too spicy? Well, no, it can never be too spicy, man. So I'll add some easy spice chicken seasoning to the mix. And some easy spice all-purpose seasoning. Mix it up. I will go add a little cooking oil to it the same way, and this is gonna allow the seasoning to soak right in the chicken, and it's gonna also prevent it from sticking on the grill. Yeah. And then we're gonna let this marinate for about an hour. So put on the pimento leaf them same way. Yeah. Drop the chicken from the top. Oh my god. Woo! You smell that already? Chicken smell nice. Come on. And we have some fish where we are seasoning up or marinate for the past 2 days, you know, some sliced fish. Yeah, so we'll put that on the mix and we'll put that on the side. Yeah, man. Oh my god. I tell her the chicken you go wicked. Chicken bad, man. Yeah, guys, so we'll go and close him down, you know. You can go and slow cook. And once you have a nice color pan, we just flip it over. Chicken them not ready to flip it, you know. So you want to have a nice char color to it. Yeah. So we go and roast and slow cook. You see all of the pepper and the garlic, everything inside the little cuts and little packets. Yeah, man, that will make sure that the chicken well seasoned, nice and proper. Yeah. Yeah, man, so just add some butter to the foil paper. Rub it up like that. Drop the fish on top, same way. Yeah, man, this side fish I tell about 2 days now, I marinate it, you know. Yeah, man. So we having fish today, roast fish with some jerk chicken. What else? Some rice and peas. Yeah, with some veg on the side. You know, just like that. Keeping it simple. Put little. No, I'm not use this. Yeah, you know what? I add some little jerk paste to it. Not much. Because I don't want it too spicy. You see it? Just a little bit. Yeah. Wrap it up. Then we're going to drop it on the grill. Let them slow roast. Yeah, man, slow cook same way. Get them on the grill right now. Give the chicken a nice little flip here now. Do like they want to flip. Yeah. Ready to flip over. See there? What's his style? See, pimento leaf, it adds some nice flavor to it same way, you know, you see? Yeah, man. You can't manage the heat, not true? You can't manage the smoke. Oh my god. Yeah. Slide over them some more. See there? lock him down. Yeah, man. We'll check on the peas right now, because I don't know what going on, what the Andra deal with. So I'm gonna make sure say peas are going, you know? Because we say they cook and they don't cook. So, because she has slow down the cooking process right now, you know? She has slow it down, so. The Andra. Smell good. Add some red stripe to it, you know? Yeah, man. Not do too much. Yeah, keep it nice and moist, you know? Yeah, man. Just like that. Hurry up with the peas now. You see that? Yeah, man. We're going to add the coconut water to the rice and peas same way. Yeah. I forgot a knife, you know, for you. Take out this. Give me a knife there real quick, please. Crack this in one next half. I will laugh. Let me know if I open up coconut. Yeah? Alright. Clean up this right so. I'll be an ants go there so later I'm gonna clean it up. I will set them aside for later. Yeah man, so we'll cut them up real quick and then drop them in the blender, blend it up. And then drop it in the pot. So I put on the water and put on some water for me. Get some water in that pipe, in that pot, please. Yeah. Now turn on the water and I fire, you know. Here? You tired? Poor thing, oh my god. Put the camera up and then see how they catch water.
Real country girl.
Real country girl, eh?
That.
Yeah, so the peas are already in a pot. See it there? Peas are already in them, man. Nice and soft. Drop in the coconut milk. Fresh coconut milk, you know. We have some scotch bonnet pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, ginger, some onion, and some dry thyme. Drop it in the same way. Mix it up. Yeah, man. And now we go add in the rice. Hurry up and come with the rice, Deandra. I pick the rice. Oh God, you're hot. Double lock the pot. Yes, I do. I do. Alright, so just go lock it down and make it go and simmer. Yeah man, rice will cook 20-30 minutes time, the rice ready. Yeah. Yeah man, so we have some Walker's Wood, hot and spicy jerk sauce. Drop a little bit on the same way again. Just to finish it off, you know. Jerk chicken ready. Yeah man. Sprinkle a little more of the red stripe, you know. Red stripe the real way. See there? Yeah man. Don't get better than that, you know. You can't jerk without the red stripe. Yeah. Check on the rice, you know. Alright, see it there? Lock him back down. Yeah man, see the rice there guys. Rice and peas ready, you know. You see it, so go take it off by the fire because we don't want to burn up. I'll go share out the food right now. I enjoy it, as me I say. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how the finished product look. Put it on a plate and make it look nice and fancy. Yeah man.